Game failing to initialize because of the Unity Engine Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. To start our guide for Unity Engine Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Unity Engine Library, a critical .NET assembly that acts as the bridge between the Unity native engine and the user's citing scripts. It contains the primary definitions for game objects, transforms, and physics. If missing or corrupted, the game may launch to a black screen or crash, citing a type load exception, as the scripting engine cannot resolve the engine's core namespace. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. If Windows Live Login DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Unity Engine Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Windows Live Login DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Unity Engine Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Unity Engine Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.